Hi, welcome to Nurture Our Nature Counseling. I'm Hilke and I'm a holistic counselor and wellness coach. And today I want to do a Yin-Yang meditation for you. It's sometimes I often do with my clients and they really like it. And you might know that I have a background in acupuncture. And what I really, really love about Chinese medicine is this interplay of yin and yang, about nurturing and energizing. And very often in the West, we feel drained and we feel frazzled and we think, I just need more energy. But what we really need is we need this interplay of being nourished and being energized. And then we have a natural balance of sustainable energy that really feels good. And it means then you will feel good in your body too. So I'm inviting you to take a deep breath with me. Just leading from your belly, really relaxed, a deep breath in, and then passively just letting it out again. And you can have your eyes closed or you can have your eyes open, just focused on nothing much. And taking another deep breath in into your belly, drawing in this beautiful fresh air into all of your lungs, from the tips under your shoulders to your diaphragm. Pausing a little and then releasing that breath, releasing it with all the stresses and all the energies you don't want anymore in your body. And taking the time to arrive where you are. Arriving in your seat, or maybe you're lying down, and feeling your body in the position it's in. Perhaps feeling your feet on the ground, feeling your body touch the seat or the surface, feeling the clothes on your body and feeling the air on your skin. And starting at the top of your head, leisurely noticing, scanning down, just noticing, without any judgment, without wanting to put value on anything. Nothing is good or bad. Just be curious and notice. How does your scalp feel? Your skin, your head, all the little muscles, the inside of your brain, the muscles in your face, little muscles around your eyes, around your lips, your jaw, your neck, and your throat. Letting your attention flow down to your shoulders and chest. Just noticing what's there, your upper back. Flowing down through the shoulder joints in your upper arms, your elbows, your lower arms, your wrists that do so much, and your busy, busy hands. Coming back up to the chest and the upper back. Noticing all the organs, all the muscles between your ribs, your diaphragm. Further down to your abdomen, your pelvis, your back, your hips, just noticing what you're feeling. It's not good or bad, it's just there. We don't need to change it right now. We don't need to get stuck on any one sensation. We're just moving on with curiosity and love. Focusing our attention now from our hips down into our thighs, our knee joints, our lower legs and calves, our ankles and feet. Feeling your feet from the heels to the toes and the soles of your feet. Maybe you're wearing socks and shoes, maybe you're barefoot. If you're touching the ground, then feel this connection to the earth. And you can do that through any shoes you're wearing, through whatever floor you're on. Just feel the connection to the earth through the soles of your feet. The earth has a really deep, nourishing yin energy. And you can feel that, and you can draw it up through your through the soles of your feet. Just draw it up through your body. You've just noticed your body. And the energy in your body will know where it's needed. And it'll just flow up through your feet, up your legs, your hips, your pelvis, your abdomen, your chest, your back. All that beautiful, cool, nourishing yin energy of the earth flowing down through your arms and hands, up your neck and throat, into your jaw, your face, up your scalp, your brain, until your entire body is filled with this gorgeous, calm yin energy. From bottom to top. It's just flowing freely. It's yours to tap into whenever you want it or need it. Opening yourself up to it. Letting it go where it needs to be. Your body knows. You know. And now that you've arrived up at your head, the top of your head, imagine your top of your head being connected to the energy of the sky, the sun, the light, the beautiful, energizing warmth of the yang, of the heaven, of the sun coming down, streaming into your scalp, your head, streaming down and mingling with the yin of the earth. And again, your body knows what's needed where, in which proportions. Just meet this wonderful strength, this energizing yang, with the same curiosity and welcome. Letting it flow down your body, mingling with the yin from the earth in just the right proportions, flowing down from your head and face, through your throat and neck, your shoulders, arms and hands, down through your chest, your back, your abdomen, your hips and pelvis, your legs, down to your feet. And just sit noticing those energies, Notice how you're feeling. Are you drawing more yin, more nourishing? Are you drawing more yang, more energizing? What's it like in different areas of your body? Just noticing and receiving freely, tapping into it. Taking another deep breath in through your nose, filling all of your lungs and your belly. Having a brief pause and then letting the stale air out again. And continuing with some deep belly breaths. Just notice if there's anything old, stale, unwanted energy that you're wanting to let go of, that you don't need anymore, that's not serving you. Thank it and send it on its way out with the breath. Deep belly breaths in, little pauses. Grateful breaths out, getting rid of anything stale. Now you're filled with this beautiful yin energy from the earth and yang energy from the top, the sun. Mingling in your body as they're needed. And spend a second, a minute, a moment in gratitude to your body that is serving you so well, that's allowing you to do this. Thanking your mind that's let you do this meditation, even though it is so busy. And then just focusing on your body as a whole again, as a circuit as a whole. The energy flowing around it as it's needed. Sort of just closing off that connection at the top of your head and the bottom of your feet. You can tap into it at any time you want. Noticing the way that you are feeling now. Your body in this room, my voice, the position you're in, where your hands are maybe touching your thighs, maybe the back of the chair through your clothes. And in your own time, opening your eyes, noticing what you can see around you, noticing the different colors and objects. And then sending a beautiful intention for the rest of this day or this night for yourself. Thank you so much for coming on this little yin-yang journey with me. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. And I would love to hear how it went for you, which aspects you might have liked. Please comment below. And if you were to give this video a little thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And maybe you'd even like to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Take care.